The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is the latest iteration of Samsung's innovative foldable smartphone series, representing the pinnacle of cutting-edge technology and design. Building on the successes of its predecessors, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 promises to deliver a seamless user experience with its foldable display, advanced hardware, and improved software features. In this review, we will explore the device's key features, performance, design, and overall usability to determine whether it lives up to the hype. Design and build quality. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 showcases Samsung's relentless pursuit of engineering excellence. The device is crafted with premium materials, featuring a robust metal frame and a glass back that exudes elegance. Its refined design makes it comfortable to hold, and the hinge mechanism feels more durable and smoother than ever before. The device's ability to fold and unfold without any creases or creaking reinforces the sense of quality engineering. Display. The standout feature of the Galaxy Z Fold 5 is its foldable dynamic AMOLED display, which measures 7.2 inches when unfolded. The panel boasts vibrant colors, deep blacks, and excellent contrast levels, making it a pleasure to watch videos and play games. Additionally, the 120 Hz refresh rate ensures smooth scrolling and enhances overall visual fluidity. The outer cover display has also received an upgrade, now measuring 6.2 inches, making it more usable for everyday tasks when the phone is folded. Although it is narrower, it still offers impressive clarity and responsiveness for quick interactions and notifications. Performance. Under the hood, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 is powered by the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, or Samsung's in-house Exynos, depending on the region, paired with a generous amount of RAM. This hardware combination ensures seamless multitasking and smooth app performance, even during resource-intensive tasks. Users can easily switch between multiple apps thanks to the device's multi-active window feature, which takes full advantage of the large screen real estate. Battery life. With its sophisticated technology and foldable display, concerns about battery life are warranted. However, Samsung has addressed this issue with a substantial battery capacity, optimizing power management, and incorporating an adaptive battery-saving feature. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 provides enough juice to last a full day of moderate to heavy usage on a single charge. Camera. The camera system on the Galaxy Z Fold 5 is impressive, consisting of a triple lens setup on the rear and a dual lens setup on the cover display for selfies. The primary 108MP sensor captures detailed and vibrant photos, while the ultra-wide and telephoto lenses add versatility to the photography experience. Software. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 runs on Samsung's One UI, feature-rich and user-friendly interface, built on top of Android. The software is optimized to take advantage of the foldable form factor, offering various multitasking options and app continuity between the outer and inner displays. App developers are also continuing to adapt their apps to better utilize the foldable screen, which improves the overall user experience. Durability and concerns. Foldable smartphones come with concerns regarding durability, and the Galaxy Z Fold 5 is no exception. While Samsung has made significant improvements to the hinge and display, there remains some uncertainty about its long-term durability and the impact of dust and debris on the folding mechanism. Additionally, the foldable screen is still more susceptible to scratches and damage compared to traditional smartphones, necessitating cautious usage and possibly investing in a protective case. Conclusion. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 represents a remarkable evolution in smartphone technology. With its stunning foldable display, powerful performance, and innovative software features, it offers a unique and futuristic user experience. The device is a testament to Samsung's commitment to pushing the boundaries of mobile technology. In summary, if you are an early adopter who values cutting-edge technology and are willing to invest in an immersive multitasking experience, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is an excellent choice. However, for those seeking a more conventional and cost-effective option, traditional flagship smartphones may still be the preferred choice.